Okay friends, let's discuss. Consider a body of mass m at point A where its initial velocity is u. After applying force on this body, let it reaches at point B where its final velocity is v. And friends, when the velocity changes, we can say there will be change in their momentum also. So at this point A, consider the momentum of this body P1 is equal to m into u, and this point B, momentum P2 becomes m into v. So let's begin. Change in momentum means final momentum minus initial momentum, it becomes P2 minus P1, and we have already values of P1 and P2. So by putting these values here, mv minus mu, by taking common m, we can write m v minus u. Now change in rate of momentum. Always keep in mind rate. In my previous lecture I have told you rate is always considered with respect to time. So change in rate of momentum can be written as m v minus u upon t. Give it equation number 1. Friends, we know by Newton's second law. Second law suggests that the change in rate of momentum is directly proportional to applied force. So it becomes F proportional होगा m v minus u upon t. We know acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. So what we have, v minus u upon t, this can be replaced by a, so it becomes F proportional होगा m into a. प्रोपोर्शनल के साइन को हटाकर हम एक कांस्टेंट लगाएंगे, तो F is equal to k ma, where k is a constant called constant of proportionality, which value is 1. So it becomes F is equal to ma. So we have proved F is equal to ma. Now if m is equal to 1 kilogram, a is equal to 1 meter per second square, then F becomes 1 Newton. So we can say कि 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram into 1 meter per second square. So how can we define 1 Newton, friends? It is the amount of force which required to produce the acceleration of 1 meter per second square in the body of mass 1 kilogram. 1 Newton is the force which is required to produce the acceleration of 1 meter per second square of the body of mass 1 kilogram. So thank you very much. I hope you will understand the whole topic.